Hello guys, how are you? Today we're gonna show you how can you make a video of you transforming you when you were little and until you grew up. There's a fun option in some applications that you can use. Today I'm using TikTok application. According to TikTok, in the templates area, once you go to templates, you will find a template called Journey. Alright, this template will allow you to choose some of your photos and transform it into a small little video where you can show yourself as if you are growing up from a baby until this age. So I did a demonstration for you to understand. You can use this demonstration as you can see, but please don't think that these photos are me. Those are not me. I'm just making an idea to show you how to do it. So pick 4 photos, 3 to 4 photos of yourself from where? When you were a baby until you grew up. So only 3 or 4 photos maximum. Add them to the template and then save it. You can see how to do that in the following video. Open up TikTok and hit the plus button. Go to the templates and select My Journey template. Add your photos, 4 photos, and then before you post it, make sure you put the photos in order. Before you post it, hit Who Can You See It? It has to be yourself, and open the private videos, and you can see in your private videos the video that you've made. Open it, save it, and voila, there is your video. So this is how you're gonna do the video for your transfer.